Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that we're most frequently asked to perform by our clients is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used with a different carrier than the one that originally sold it. So by default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or network. Here with us today, we happen to have a Motorola Moto Z2 Force. This device is originally from Sprint here in the US. If we open up the app drawer here, we can see that we have a couple of the Sprint apps installed, and the Calling Plus app there. And then if we keep scrolling down, we're going to have the My Sprint app, and then a couple other ones scattered there. And then if we go to look in the settings under About, we are going to be able to see that we are indeed here dealing with a Moto Z2, also called the Z2 Force. And then of course that software variant and channel there will show as Sprint. So that's the indication of where it originally came from. But this is a device that we have already done the network unlock to so that it works on other networks here in the US. We have a SIM card inserted here that is originally from Cricket, which is a prepaid provider here in the US that runs on AT&T's network. So as you can see there, we're fully registered with our signal bars. We've got our LTE data service, and the device is now fully enabled for use on a different carrier. Now with this specific device, the carriers that can be used are those that are GSM compatible. So here in the US, those are any carriers that run on either AT&T's network or T-Mobile's network. So if you have a Motorola Z2 Force from Sprint and would like to get its SIM unlocked for use on a GSM carrier, go ahead and get in touch with us because we would love to help you out with that. All of our contact information will be shown right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all the information there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Also hit that subscribe button while you're there to be notified of all the new videos that we're constantly putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.